How you doing, folks? This is Ross from Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 67 El Camino. This car has had a lot of money spent on it. Super nice car. Got show quality paint, slick, flat, straight down the sides. So all the grill, the bumpers, all been redone on this car. Gorgeous garnet red. As you can see, it's got a 502 in it. It's a GM crate 502 horse. Set of billet wheels on it.
Resto-Mod Super Sport.
So all the taillight trim, tailgate trim's all real nice. It is the original. It's excellent shape. Rear bumper's been all re-chromed. Tell you, it's just a tough car. It's a GM crate 502 horse. It's got a serpentine pulley drive kit on the front with polished components. It's got AC. It's a factory AC car. All been updated with the newer compressors. Big Be Cool aluminum radiator. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Got all billet hood hinges. I'll tell you, they spent a lot of money on this car building it. Real nice fasteners on everything. It's got all QA1 tubular A-arms, front and rear. It's got a quick steer gearbox, got the big sway bar up front. It's got a direct fit Moser Engineering Ford 9-inch in the rear. See, all clean. Jams are all real nice on this car. All the interior's very nice. It's got blinker tack. Got tilt wheel. Tell you, it's kind of a sleeper, to be honest with you. Nice flush mount tonneau cover on it. It's got the QA1 adjustable shocks in the rear. It's got the QA1 coilovers up front. Got wood wheel. Nice trio of gauges in it. Very nice paintwork on this car. Just a super cool car. Looks like we got a headlight bulb out there. We'll get that taken care of. Sorry about the sun coming and going. It's a little chilly today. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Just a good looking car there. You don't see many El Caminos done up. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.